So I have my Nauti-Control app. Kind of raging, came down the night, first night out in the boat, and forgot I hadn't updated the firmware in my own version. All the boxes I've sent out have the latest 2.07, but mine doesn't. But it still has the web app, so it can kind of show one thing, and if you've got the newer version, you can use your watch, or you can use Bluetooth in your phone. But this will do the same job. So we're on a starboard tack now. So we're kind of going this way here. What we want to do is go that way over there. So we're heading kind of over towards that wee hut, our starting battery. So let's have a wee whack at this and see if I can sing. So what I'm going to do now is hit starboard tack. Once I do that, phone's going away, and I'm going to start doing it, basically winching in and all that fun stuff. If I had my watch, obviously that'll be a lot easier because the phone's a bit bulky and all the rest, and it could end up overboard. But for tonight's testing, this will do grand. This shows how useful an autopilot is. I'm out in New Todd tonight, my own. Not that windy, well, 16 knots, so it's probably about what, 10 we're doing? Yeah, probably about 10 or 11 true. So yeah, so let's tack. Get ready to tack. Just stick that in there. So I'm hitting starboard tack. That's going now. So I need it. And we're off. And you can see it has tacked round automatically. Tighten in. I'll burn off a bit. You burnt more. And we can burn off a bit more. So I kind of want to go right over that direction. Oh, help if I kept pointing in the right direction. I was hitting starboard there. Again, if you had your watch, I could be able to do this here. So I'll hopefully get that sorted for tomorrow night. But yeah, part of this is actually just testing the 360 camera, see if I can talk and be heard and sail at the same time. Because I do want to do some more demos on the water. I'm going to test the microphone as well. Get a bit more upright. There's an EasyJet lane flying over. And what about that for a sunset?